COVID-19 has hit some areas harder than others, and certain groups of people have increased risk of severe infection and even death. Take Care Texas, or Cuídate Texas, is working with these COVID-19 hotspot communities in East Texas, Houston, and the Rio Grande Valley to reduce the devastating impact of the pandemic. By using local, real-time data about testing, vaccine rates, and COVID-19 cases, local community outreach teams are deployed to deliver accurate information and connect communities with resources to increase testing, vaccination, and prevent more outbreaks. They work with community partners who provide feedback to improve the approach and address barriers unique to each neighborhood, region, and population.
I'm Belinda Garza with Take Care Texas. We're community health workers, and we're out here in the community with the churches, small businesses, and the community members, spreading awareness about the importance of COVID testing. We know how important it is for us to continue to get tested for COVID-19 when we have symptoms or we've been exposed to someone else who is positive. Even if we have been vaccinated, testing is key so that we contain the spread to the virus. We also help navigate families to testing, vaccination, and other resources that can help them during the pandemic, including food, rental assistance, mental health support, and social services. Because we know when people are struggling to pay bills, it's harder to do what's needed to prevent the spread. This project gives us accurate information about each neighborhood so that we can better address their needs and work together to stop the spread.
Take Care Texas is part of a national effort to reduce the burden of COVID-19 on vulnerable populations. It's funded by the National Institutes of Health, and our project focuses on people who are vulnerable because they are racial or ethnic minorities, they're living in rural settings, they have chronic conditions, or they may be houseless. Some ways that you can partner with Take Care Texas in your community include displaying posters and flyers about our project at your location, allowing our outreach workers to provide education and information to your clients, customers, and family members, agreeing to be a community champion and appearing in print or other media encouraging others to get tested and vaccinated, or you can host a COVID-19 testing event. Our university community partnerships give us access to real data that helps drive decisions to most effectively increase COVID-19 testing in order to reduce infection, transmission, and prevalence. Top scientists working together with community partners are creating the best ways to protect families from the pandemic in our most vulnerable communities.